Tired of crowded public servers and want to create your own exclusive Roblox hangout? First, head over to the Roblox website and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, click on the Games tab located at the top of the page. Browse or search for the specific game you want to play on a private server. Keep an eye out for the VIP server icon that indicates the option is available. Once you're on the Games page, scroll down until you find the Servers section or a button that says Create Private Server or VIP Servers. Click on that button and you'll be taken to the private server creation page here. You can name your server something fun and unique. Some games allow you to customize the server settings, like who can join and sometimes even the game mode. Tweak these to your liking. Depending on the game, creating a private server might cost some Robux. Confirm the purchase if you are okay with the cost and press Buy Now. After purchasing, your private server will be created. You can now invite your friends using the provided link or by searching their usernames. You can manage your server through the menu options like configuring the settings further or shutting it down when you're done playing. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your very own private Roblox world with your friends. Have fun!